It's a little wet, it's a little cold, but I am not going to complain. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure, guys. It's Jim without Vanessa today. Yeah, she had to work. I've got an appointment at this really cool place. Welcome to the Central Garage. Built in 1933, no longer a garage, but they have kept it mint and original. Look at this cool van. What is it, a 65? It's in the Econoline, heavy duty. Yeah, it's not a garage anymore. It's real estate services, but it's just so awesome. Original signage. And stuff like this, even more of it is inside. Talk about your classic Coke machine. Wow. And look at this truck. Man, I'm in love. I took some footage the other day when it was dry and sunny. Look at this. How awesome is this place? Man. Talk about nostalgia. I am so digging this old vintage sign. Dr. Pepper, they're having a good old time. The doctor is in. Look at these old windows and the paint. Just years and years of paint that are on here. These windows actually would unlatch and open out, or open in, I'm not sure. I think they open out. Okay, we're in. Oh wow, look at this place. What did I tell you guys? This is a Batman. He's already been here. Quarter ride. Can't get that on the regular Batmobile. Just, this place is so fantastic. Vanessa and I came in here the other day. It was just like blowing us away. And we asked permission and got to come back. They even have a phone booth that actually has a phone. I have got to thank Sean Logston today. Thanks for letting me in today. Vanessa would have been here. She would love this. I know she would. She saw it the other day, but wow, you've got some history in this place too.
Yeah, there really is. This building's been here since the early 1900s, and it's been a lot of different things over the course of years. Originally, it was built as an independent oil station.
And you've got the sign outside.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, when we moved in here, we were looking for office space. We've been here about 4 years, and we were looking for some space for our office, and this was an abandoned building for a couple of years. I always collected antiques, gas pumps, and stuff like that. So when I first seen this building, I thought, oh wow, what potential this has. And how cool would it be if we could restore this building and kind of bring that image back that it had in the early 1900s?
And then you just decided to turn it awesome.
Oh, absolutely. We feel like it's awesome.
Those of you who like the vintage and the antique, check this out. Then of course you got, is this a Philco? Philco used to make TVs back in the day. This is the kind that you would turn on and wait like 5 minutes and maybe the little dot would turn into a picture. As Sean just told me, that TV, he took the picture tube out and put a flat screen in, so it actually works. It's actually now a smart TV. Okay, I'm in love with this. And this refrigerator, a Norge. I haven't seen a Norge. I think I was a kid the last time I saw one. You can just come through here and be amazed. Everything from Yogi to Stan. Well, I want that. I want a real version of it though. Back in the day, this is how you got your smokes. Yeah, just a little vending machine, and away you'd go. A quarter? Really? You mind if I use the phone?
No, I'll do whatever. You're, like I said, make yourself at home. This is your place.
Sean was just telling me they had a phone booth sitting outside the building right by the door, but close to the street. And one day he came in, it was gone. They finally figured out what happened. I love this vintage sign. They finally found out what happened. The trash people had come and taken it and threw it away. And this is a little memento of that day, thanks to, you know, some friends. Seriously, guys, you can spend like an hour in here, 2 hours. And now it's not really open for tours or anything like that. Unless Sean just happens to be here and you've got an auction going on, or you want to go to an auction, which is kind of a cool thing if you've never been to one. I love auctions. I just can't let Vanessa go to too many auctions because she likes auctions too, if you know what I mean. Yeah, raising the hand and the little paddle. What is this, 1920s stroller? Oh, this is like mint. If you're into antiques like we are, oh, this place is a fun home. I think this is a little newer because this is push button, but I like the idea. Interesting side note, you know this is the Colonel, KFC, right? I just found out this was a weather vane on top of a KFC. They used to do that back in the 60s and back in the day. That's right. You used to be able to come to the Colonel for the weather too. I'm sorry. I was going to change into my super suit, but it's occupied. Sorry. Clown cigarettes. You know what I want to say, right? That's right, you know they taste funny. And when you're done, good housekeeping prevents fires. You put them here. Oh man. You know there's a history to this. Hot blast. Man, don't you know it? Look at this. Thing is massive. But it heats this place up in no time. Just love being here. I would just love to have an office like this, especially with a gas pump like that. Look at that Texaco. Love that. So much in here. I'm losing my mind, man. I don't know where to look. Little history, guys. This car here, there was a place called Fountain Ferry in Louisville years ago. There's an amusement park. This was one of the actual cars that was on a track that ran. Looks like it actually had real headlights and everything. Wow. And this is Rosebud. That's a Citizen Kane reference. It's got a trunk. How cool is this? Okay, it's not really a trunk, more like an access to the engine, but it's the thought. I'm just blown away looking on the shelves. Just random stuff everywhere. This is like American picker's dream. Look at this old advertisement for Lucky Strike. Need better on the workplace. Old Coke. Wow. Jim Beam, of course, that's Kentucky Heritage right there. And then you got a Pop-A-Shot, which I never won anything with because I don't play basketball.
It wasn't originally a motorcycle, but we ordered that motor and put it on there. It runs and rides. And
so this was a bicycle, you just converted it for yourself?
Yeah, for a couple $100 kit, we converted it to a motorcycle.
Wow, that is awesome.
Yeah, ordered that seat off Amazon. It's a real vintage looking seat. And
wow.
He rode it in the parade a couple years ago, and yeah, that thing will move on.
Don't know what this is, but I love it. 1912 classic. Oh man, it's got the white wall tires too. And it's a convertible. Did I mention Ronald's here? Anybody remember the soapbox derbies? There's a soapbox derby car. And it's a police soapbox derby car, evidently. It's got it's a red light police used to have on their cars. Huh, do I love this place or what? It looks like Ronald's shoe. I keep thinking I'm done, then I find stuff like this scooter. It's like, what am I going to miss? That's what I'm afraid of. And oh, hey, sorry about that, Ty. Didn't mean to stick a camera in your face. It's going to be the funnest video I've ever edited, I think. I want you to click like, subscribe, and share. Oh, okay, kind of creepy. Wow. Yes. No, that's not Pennywise, thank goodness, but I do like this. This is a pistol grip for the bathroom door. It's a nozzle from a gas station for a door handle. Love that. Then there's the bathroom. It's a whole different story. Man, how can you not love this place? Sean's looking for something to quiz me with. I can't wait.
I'll find it here. Let me see what it might be.
We just have to figure out what it is. He knows what it is. I don't. He's just trying to remember, like me, where I put it. Aha, he found it. Now to be quizzed.
All right.
What is it, Jim? What is that? You guys got any clues? Because I'm probably going to be wrong. You want to put it down in the comments? Okay, it looks like he might be a little fan of some kind. I see some blade looking things. I think I'm being puzzled here.
Does that help at all?
Oh, are you telling me this is a car speaker for the movies?
No, it's actually a heater.
Heater.
It's a heater for the drive-in movies.
I never heard of such a thing.
A lot of drive-in places didn't have these, so it was kind of a luxury if you went to a drive-in movie theater that actually offered heaters. So I was told a lot of times you'd have to leave your driver's license with the attendant at the drive-in theater. In exchange for your driver's license, they would give you a heater so that you wouldn't leave with their heater. You'd have to turn the heater back in to get your driver's license that night.
Oh, we're learning. Ow. Feels kind of good, I guess. Just so much stuff. I don't know when to stop. But I guess all good things must come to an end, because Sean's got things he's got to do, and I could spend another hour. If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and share the link, okay? That really helps us grow. And remember, adventure is as close as the next off-ramp. Can't leave without getting a picture of the tire. I think that's huge. This gives you an idea. That's a big tire. This is a place to retire. Get it? Never mind.